And Bitcoin actually looked like it was going to break out yesterday, I'm not going to lie. If we have a little look here, it actually looked like it was going to break out. It retested the trend line perfectly. And I thought it was about to go on its way to crazy new highs, just as you're going to see on the squiggle right there. Boom, I thought crazy stuff was going to happen, I can't lie. So boom, boom, boom. Blast off type vibes. However, the blue line can still actually happen. Because if this is a fake out, we can all the way come down to, and that would be a 30% correction. It may even wick down even further, which it tends to, at 35%. So if we zoom out here, we have a little look here back at, if it lets me change this here, it could even, worst case, could come down to this support here at like 39k, 43% move. And that would sort of ideally start off the bull market that we're all kind of waiting for. Because people will panic and there'll be a V-shaped recovery. Gold is still flying. It looks like it wants to turn down on the stochastic RSI, but still think there's a little bit more room for upside before we roll over. And the SPX 500 is looking a little bit bearish. So what happened here? So it happened like this, and then it's going to go all the way up again. Yes, I think we'll get a similar situation to this here. So we'll grind up a little bit, we'll pull back, and then we'll grind up again, and then I think we'll get the greatest correction of all time on this thing here. With the KRC20 tokens, we'll have a little look at them today, because I have bought, like I say, $120 worth of a rubbish one, which actually opened my eyes because I didn't research into it properly. And I've lost probably like over half, which is great. I should have gone into something which is more reliable, like Nacho, because Nacho is going to get the exchange listings. Casper also got the exchange listings. If this, with this 120, I'm actually going to let it ride, because if this gets an exchange listing, then it could be very good. It could fly. I could make a little bit of money on that. We'll see. I was just testing out, seeing how KRC20 works and everything, and got a little bit ahead of myself. But we'll see how it goes. So the next one is Casper, which is actually at a great buying point, and I have bought some more today. I wouldn't actually buy if you don't know what you're doing here and without stop losses, even though I am. But I look at it like it's real money. A lot of people might not look at it that way. They want to look at it in a way where they want to just profit off it, which is fine because I also want to profit off it. And if it does fly, I will sell. But it is, for me, better than fiat currency, so that's why I'm investing into this at the moment. And if we go over to bookmarks, we can have a little look at our bookmarks today as well. So, your success in meme coins is directly related to how mentally unstable you are. That might low key be facts. I'm half expecting the UK to come out with a tax to tax the unrealized gains next week, bro. They're trying to tax us so hard for trying to make some money off crypto. They want a piece. They want a piece of it. They do not want you to make money on your own. They want you to lose money. And if you make money, they want to take your money. The price has nearly reached 69k target for the blue B wave that I mentioned earlier today. However, there is no confirmation a price top has formed. This is the area where wave B would ideally complete a breakup of the resistance zone. Would rather indicate that the white C wave is unfolding. So C wave is like 72k. That could occur. And a pullback to this region could also occur. But he's just put loads of things on. He doesn't actually know what's going on either. So we'll see how that plays out. SpaceX and Tesla continue to execute extremely well despite being large companies. Elon Musk gassing his own thing there. Yes, the bull market hasn't become yet. All of this is still accumulation. Honestly, and I'm being real here, we are not in a bull market yet. Yes, the bull market hasn't begun yet. It's still accumulation. Imagine when it does fly. Is Casper getting a new listing or is this fake? If it's getting another listing, that could be insane coming soon. Not the biggest, but Casper certainly keeps being relevant. And it's got its own blockchain with the meme coins. It's crazy. Just going to leave this here. This guy's a little bit bearish. This is, this could happen, It'd kill off everyone in the market. Has he shorted it? Has he actually shorted it? How the actual F as an AI started a meme coin and pumped it to rank 114 on CoinMarketCap. This was launched like 7 or 8 days ago by a group of AIs where somebody sent $50,000 to them to try and make money, and they launched their own meme coin. Bro, we're gonna get wiped out before we know it. You need to use AI to your advantage. As the Bitcoin super cycle just started, I was thinking yesterday it could be the start. Holy, holy. Anyone telling you bull run is over does not love you, they don't care about you, they don't want to see you win. F them. It's better to take the risk and try and make money than to sit back and miss the greatest wealth building opportunity ever. It's all about risk to reward. You stay in your job just like you already are. Reward you change your life and your family's future. Insanely simple. Your desire to win should always be greater than the fear of losing. That's fact. I don't even have anything to add. That is insane. Popcat has flipped bonk. Popcat has done insane, man. Popcat is not stopping this cycle. We've looked at it a few times. It's just not stopping. Like, genuinely, if we have a little look at Popcat, USDT, it's just been flying. It's going parabolic. Is this going to have a major correction? It actually does, to be honest. So what, it's going to maybe correct down to this level here, 48 cents. If it does, it could possibly be a buying opportunity. I don't think that's the opportunity right now, though. Although it could go and do major moves, this is not the level you want to be buying Popcat at. No way. These are the opportunities. Forget about it. This cost me $175. I don't care if you think Trump is mean. How did that cost $175? Inflation is mad. And that's actually good food as well. Is that like raw milk? Oh, ground beef, man. Eggs, honey, that is peng. Good stuff, that. Get rich, retire your mum, and bless your friends with life-changing opportunities in crypto. Casper Degens, thank you for your service. Keep up the great work. Sincerely, Miner. Yo, look at the transaction count. Holy. That is crazy. Crypto money flow in October 24th. Where is ETH going? ETH is going down, man. More flowing to BTC, Solana, BNB, Sui. ETH and ADA are screwed. ADA flow over ETH. That's mental, man. Oh yeah, that GOAT, I think is getting a contract on Binance. Yo, them AIs are doing work. Relationship status committed to Bitcoin. New listing for Casper coming soon. Bro, it might be time to snatch up some Casper. Put your stop losses on, because I think the risk to reward is insane, especially if it gets that listing. Don't worry, everything will work out. Fact. Right. Bitcoin versus 2019. March 2020, COVID vaccines, polio, and World War III. So he's thinking it's going to go down. He thinks, yeah, we're going down. 224 sideways days, Bitcoin has been moving lower. I was calling 2013-14 bullish wave a recovery fit wave based on the action that took place in early to mid 2019. The difference this time around is that Bitcoin went on to produce a new all-time high, but this was the map we were following. The recovery wave in 2019 led to the March 2020 crash. After the peak in July 2019, Bitcoin went sideways with lower highs for exactly 224 days. So if we look at Bitcoin in 2019 and we go into the daily time frame, in fact we'll go into the weekly time frame because I think it'll be easier to see. Okay, so 2019 is around here. Okay, so what's he saying about that? So in 2019 led to the 2020 crash. So the March 2020 crash, yeah, it did. Okay. Bitcoin went sideways with lower highs for exactly 224 days. Yes, okay. The last 5 weeks of this time period produced a bounce, as we are seeing now, and then after one neutral and small red week, the final crash leading to March 2020 happened. Nobody saw it coming. We are in a very similar situation. Bitcoin's 2024 capitulation event, the March 2020 crash, lasted 3 weeks of strong bearish action, 5 weeks total. The first 2 weeks were a type of suspension at the top before the crash. The drop led to the testing on a wick of a low price range in late 2018, early 2019. Today, this would be equivalent to Bitcoin crashing to the same level at which it traded around October, September 2023. What the hell? 27k, that is disgusting. That is on a wick. It would recover almost instantly from the low prices and then it would take a while to climb back up into strength. Prepare for the crash. The longer it takes for this to happen, the more painful it will be for the market. It's already been a long enough. This means that the crash will be super strong. 43k is not the bottom. Thanks a lot for your support. That is disgusting. This is max pain. That would be max pain. That'd kill off everyone. Genuinely. If that happens, that's crazy. Sol ETH, this new all-time high. Thanks for playing. Vitalik to boost Ethereum TPS by 1.5 to challenge Solana. Plans to cut gas fees, enhancing Ethereum's speed by 1.5 times. Good. Do something. Kraken launching a layer 2. Bullish Ethereum. Bullish ETH. Believe in something real. This is a fabled golden bull run to retire your bloodline. If you want to join my inner circle as we ride to Valhalla, smash the like and comment below. I'm assembling a team. Do you want money? It's easy. Look how many everyone's pushing meme coins, man. It's the meme coin super cycle. Ethereum is effing awesome and gonna change the world. Nobody could have seen it coming. BTC price dripped, so you panic sold. This guy kind of predicted it though. Can't lie. But you won't have predicted a crazy crash if it comes. Casper set a record for the most transactions on a proof of work in a single day with over 15 million. 10 BPS can't come soon enough. Team Binance or Coinbase. They're both insane and huge. More great news for Casper's ever-growing ecosystem. Happy to work with CoinEx, launch a dedicated Casper section on their exchange. Crazy, bro. Quarter four's average in returns usually is going up. No bosses, no boardroom, no middleman, just unstoppable decentralized power. Bitcoin. Pretty wild rotation to Solly as the entire market actually completely abandoned Ethereum. Looks like it, man. But that's when you need to buy. I think Ethereum will bounce back hard from here. Yes, got a man. Still respecting the upward trend. Many will be shocked at the speed of this bullish reversal. Every $100 I save, instead of putting it in the stock market or 401k, I put it all in Brett because I believe it will pump harder than SHIB did in 2021. I think it will too. Luna crashing to $0 in one day. Do not ever not have stop losses on. Because look at that. That can happen to a crypto. Everyone believed in it. And it happened. Remember what you're playing with. Liquidated F this market. Let's actually look at AI meme coins, AI utility coins. That's facts, man. Let's look at the greed. Is everyone a bit greedy? Because usually when people are greedy, that's when everyone loses money. Especially the greedy. It's actually very scary times. Especially if what that guy said is going to happen. 27k. 30k, 35k. A major correction might be coming, you know. And usually, when the spot ETF inflows are at their highest, that signals a top. And that's actually very worrying. Because if we look at this guy, what's he called? If I look at my notifications, we look at Crypto Rover, this guy right here, he did post a graph. Where is it? The inflows. Well, usually when the inflow's at their highest, that usually signals a top in the market. When there's a lot of inflows, that signals a top. And what does that mean? That means that if we're hitting a local top right now, we could be going down heavily. That's what that means. Does the fear and greed want to work or not really? We'll use a coin market cap one because this one wants to play a little game with us today. So what is the fear and greed saying on coin market cap? If that wants to load as well, or not really. 56, we're in neutral on the coin market cap one. That can't be right. 56. Oh, goat's correcting as well. Good. I want it to I want it to low key die. I don't want AIs to be better than us. I want this meme coin to die. Let's see this crazy pump it's had. Holy, that is mental. I can't lie. So we'll say it's 56, Fear and Greed. I think it is neutral. I think it's a bit higher than that on the other website, but yeah, it looks like we're going to get a little bit of this. And then we're going to get a major correction when Bitcoin goes down as everybody predicts. I don't know how to tell what level and how quickly and how long it'll last, but it'll definitely be a V-shaped recovery. And once that occurs, it might be perfect prices for all of us, man. Might be perfect prices for all of us. It's going to be crazy. It's going to drag the whole market down with it if that happens, because everybody's going to think it's over. Genuinely, everybody will think it's over. Even I'll personally think it's over if that happens, and I sort of know it's coming. More longs in the market, man. More people are going to get liquidated on the long side. So I think we are going to literally head downwards. I think if we look here though, Tesla, if we look at a little bit of Tesla today and we go over to discover, I feel like my PC's slowing down. It's actually garbage. Yeah, Tesla's up 21%, man. 20 flipping 1%. How? Like, that's crazy, bro. Look at that. Imagine buying that. That is mental. You need to buy this on Rubbish News. I remember seeing it down here, I literally bought it for 120, but I didn't know what I was doing. Volkswagen still holding up nicely. That's mad. Tesla would have made people a lot of money. Wow.